Friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, write one file in second technique in C language. So first I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better my video lecture. And double click in Turbo C++ editor and that takes some process. And now yes is open. So Alt F file menu, taking new file. And here our goal, write a program to write a file using second techniques. Yes, so here we can use second way. So what is a one important function in file management, and that I write the syntax and that the file that FRE open. So always we can F open and F close. So F open we have to not use, but FRE open, that is a function. So we can, that is second way we can write one file. And here first argument that file, yes, only file name with path, that is path. And that second argument, that is a mode of the file, how write and that read. And that is third argument, that is a file string itself. So use this function in the second way. We can write and then see in our drive. So let us take a comment line. So there are three arguments we have to pass in this function. So FRE open that name, and now we can start our link section, header file, standard input output, and then console input output, and then we can start our main function. And directly we can take as clear CLR SCR, and then we can start yes if condition directly. And that is that return data type is a file stream. So that is a if not write perfectly, so that return false means null. So that is if condition false, and perfectly right, so there is some value. So FRE open, and we can pass three arguments. So yes, here C drive, double turbo C, and bin folder, and we can write one file. So we can give like any name. So like some examples. So we can say my test.txt, and now second argument in the write mode, and then third argument, that is a std out, standard output, that is string. So here you can look, that is file stream. So standard in and out, there are two streams. So here we can if condition, if assigned to null, so that is we can say that it is a not if condition is, we can say that uh, false. And if that writes some code, so we can use f printf function, and that we can pass two arguments, so standard and error. So error is generated, so here we can give the error in file. So error in a file, so that is we can error in file, that is message if print. And if condition is not true, so that we can write like directly, not directly f printed. So we are students, so directly writes in the file. That is a technique. And second printf, I can write two line. So that is /n and f5bcsm1 students. So yes, student I can give in small students. Yes, and then was finish. That is so simple. And close. So we can use close which std out, yes, standard output. So that is we can use this standard out, and then gets it. So only three four line, that is main our coding. So that is only one, that is 4 to 5 line. Yes, we can write two lines. So yes, I can save this. So we can say that write only write a file in second way. So write file, yes, .c. So let us save, and I can compile. Yes, that any error. So there is no any error, and our exe file is generated. So I can run, but that's not any output because that is a write all the content in the that file, my test. So yes, that is finished. So very simple. So that is I just revised, and we can see also file. So yes, so that is FRE open that file name with path and mode and file stream. So three arguments. So we can provide if condition. So FRE open that file name with path my test.txt write at the mode and standard output that is file stream, and if assigned to null, so there is a not properly open, but if not so that if any error, so f printf that is taking error, and we can write two line, you can write any number of line, just use printf and then close standard out and then gets here. So we can already compile and run. So yes, I can again run, and now I can go in C drive that let us check that file is created or not. So in C drive, then here turbo C++, then disk folder, and then turbo C, and then bin folder. So that is my test. Yes, here my test is, yes, let us check. Yes, so very simple. You can look, we are student and FIBCSM1 student. So there is two line I can write. So yes, I can now finish. So very simple way is we can write one file in second technique. So how to use FRE open function, that is main target of this session. So we can learn that syntax. We can pass three arguments. So file name with path, mode of file, and that file stream. So standard output means we have to write some line, and f printf if standard error, std means standard error, so error in the file, and if no error, so we can write two line, and here we can dot provide and then close that standard output. So that is a finish. So very simple. Just in this session goal, how FRE open function, F open we have to know and F close we have to know. But here FRE open, so that is a three argument. So here we can just see second technique, we can write the file. So yes, write this program very simple to your note in C books, and I can close these files. Yes, save and then quit. So subscribe my channel Ashok C Jalakadi, press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting and sharing my video lecture, and Hare Krishna.